Welcome back to TSInfo Technology. Today we'll be talking about how to add favorites on our iPhones. So we can add favorite contacts in our phone app. So open the phone app in your iPhone. Go to the favorites tab. On top you can see there is a plus icon. Click on that and your contact list will appear. So here I'll choose Robert. Now it shows options like message, call and video. For which favorite do I want to add in the favorites list, whether I want to call them, video call them, or just text them. So I'll choose call, whether just normal call in the phone or whether in WhatsApp. I'll choose mobile, and you can see Robert has been added to my favorites list. I had already added two other contacts in my favorite list, which is Angela and Mark, and anytime I want to contact them I just need to click the number and it will automatically get dialed. Now we'll see how to remove favorites from our phone app. Open the phone app, go to favorites tab. You can already see the list of favorite contacts that you have. On top, click on edit. The page will turn to editing mode. Any contact that you want to remove, just click on the minus sign beside that. For example, I need to remove Mark. One delete option will appear and just click on that. There you go. It gets deleted from the favorites list. Just click on done and it will exit the editing mode. Now another way we can see is that how to add favorites on our Safari app. So open your Safari app on the iPhone. Google any website of your choice which you want to add to your bookmarks or your favorites list. So since I'm opening this website, there will be an option add to favorites. Click on that. So the entire name and website link will appear. You can either edit the name or just keep it as it is and click on save. It will get saved to your favorites list in Safari. Let's see how we can check our favorite list in Safari app. You can see one book icon below on the screen. Just click on that. And I'm already in the favorites list. So when I scroll down, you can see that the recently added website is already added in the favorites list. So I'll just click on done now. Let's see how we can remove a website from our favorite list in Safari. Open your Safari app and click on the bookmark icon that you can see below on the screen. You can see the option favorites. Click on that. Now you can see that the previously added website is already in the favorites list which I had added. Now click on edit. The page turns into the editing mode. Now similarly, when I want to remove the same website that I had added, I will click on the minus sign beside that. A delete option will appear. I will click on delete and then finally I'll click on done. It is removed from the favorites list. Now I'll go back and click on done. Thank you. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel TSInfo Technologies.